If you're following an ultra-low-carb keto diet or zero-carb carnivore diet, then you probably, on occasion, experience strong cravings for traditional sticky white rice. Unfortunately, a typical 1-cup serving of traditional white rice contains a whopping 45 grams of total carbs. This pretty much makes it off limits to those of us on a keto or carnivore diet. But your cravings for white rice are about to come to an end. Because this video will walk you through a simple 2-ingredient recipe for making an essentially zero-carb version of white rice. All that, coming right up. Let's start by looking at the ingredients. This simple 2-ingredient recipe requires just 1 cup of egg whites and a half teaspoon of golden flaxseed meal, to add a grainy flavor note to the egg whites. And that's it. Now, it's time to get cooking. First, we'll lightly coat our medium non-stick pan with a neutral flavor fat or oil such as lard, olive oil, or avocado oil. I used avocado oil for this recipe. Next, we'll place our pan over medium heat and pour our egg whites into the pan. When the bottom layer of the egg whites starts to become opaque, we can begin slowly stirring the egg whites with a medium whisk. When the egg whites become mostly opaque, reduce the heat to low and stir with a whisk to ensure that any remaining clear liquid portions become opaque. When the egg whites become fully opaque, turn off the heat and break the egg whites into small rice-sized pieces using the whisk. Break any remaining large chunks into smaller rice-sized pieces using the whisk. Clumps of egg white pieces may get trapped in the whisk, so use a fork or similar utensil to free the clumps from the whisk. Now it's time to evenly sprinkle the flaxseed meal on the egg white pieces. Slowly stir the egg white pieces with the whisk until the flaxseed is evenly distributed. And there you have it. Our simple, 2-ingredient, ultra-low-carb alternative to traditional sticky white rice. Its color, texture, and mouth-feel rival that of starchy, carb-laden white rice, and its flavor is fairly neutral with the flaxseed meal offsetting the egg flavor. Feel free to add your favorite keto-friendly spices. And last, but not least, enjoy! Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and would like to see more similar content from this channel in the future, please take a few seconds to like and subscribe. If you have specific suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. And to avoid missing out on future releases, please remember to click the notifications bell. Have a great day.